Hello everyone, I am Bets Golden. Welcome to the Gel Press channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your background stamps and actually create shapes out of them with your Gel Press Petites. I'm going to be utilizing that cloud because right now where I am, we actually are having storms. It's monsoon. So I wanted to create a card that is focusing on stormy weathers and kind of a pick-me-up. I know it's a little different than what most people might be thinking during the summer. Anyway, this is a great video for those of you that are card makers and may have a hard time using your gel press or might be a little scared because you think it's mixed media. This is a really great way to utilize your card making and stamping supply with your Gel Press Petites. And if you are mixed media, this may give you some more ideas. For some of you, this might be review because this channel is not only for the experts, but also for the beginners. So it's important that we meet everyone's needs here. All right, so I just inked up that stamp as well as on my cloud, and that just gives a nice coverage with some depth, and I'm just going to stamp it on there like I would any other stamp, and I'm just using a 4 by 5.25 card front. Now I have my beautiful cloud that is ready for the next step. You can see all those lines, super easy. From here, I'm going to pop that card front into my MISTI, and I'm going to stamp some smaller clouds, with the new color from Simon Hurley. So this is going to definitely be a true blue card. I am going to stamp the inside of the clouds first, and then I'm going to go back and outline them after I'm done. I just prefer to do it this way because for some reason I line up better if I do it backwards, and I don't know, I might just be weird about it, but I always line up my images better when I do the guts of the image first and then the outline. So I am stamping that up twice. We're going to be seeing that color periodically throughout the rest of the video. Now I'm going to line up my outline of the cloud, ink it up with my Archival jet black ink. I'm only going to do it once though, because I don't want the lines to be too strong, but I definitely want them to be there to give some definition. And then once I am done doing this, I'm going to pull out that blue again, and I'm going to ink up some of my little raindrops and put them different spots on my card front. If you have not subscribed to the Gel Press channel, I certainly hope that you consider doing so, making sure to hit that notification bell. Give this video a like if you enjoy it, and if you are part of any groups on social media that is interested in card making or mixed media or just different ways you can use your Gel Press Petites or Gel Press in general, make sure that you share this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and one of us on the team will try to get back to you with the right answer. Also, if you have not checked out my channel, Bets Golden, and want to see more content similar to this, card making and gel press, please go check it out. I also have my own website. That's www.betsgolden.com, and you can always catch me on Instagram. This is a cute little stamp set that I am using from Simon Hurley. I just love it. But before I put my image on, I do want to add a little bit more color to the background. What I do like about using dye inks is that you can blend that color in, and it does not overpower or coat on to the images you may have down. You can use a lighter hand on your blending tool, get just the touch of the shade that you need. It's better to go in light than to go in too heavy-handed, because you can always add more ink, but you can't always take it off. Kind of like when you add salt to a dish, right? You always can add a little bit more salt to a dish versus putting too much in there and ruining the whole dish. that's how I feel about blending my ink in to a white card front that has images already stamped on it. But I just really love how this all turns out. It's blue, it's gray, it's pretty, but it definitely is going to convey the message that I want to on the card. All right, from there, I'm going to go ahead and put pop dots on that cute little umbrella that I created off of that stamp set. And I'm just kind of lining it up. I'm also going to glue down my sentiment on the bottom. And then I'm going to finish off the card with some dollops of Dream Drops. I love these things. Now, you guys, I hope that this has inspired you to pull out your Petites and your gel press in general and try ink with it, because ink is a really great medium to use on a gel press. It can hold like really nice texture, detail, you use texture to create images on the plate, and it holds the detail nicely from that. Also, ink dries a little bit slower on a gel press, so you do have some time to play with it, which is also really nice. And I'm going to show you another card that I created using the 3-inch, I think it was a 3-inch circle off of another Gel Press Petite line to create a similar card, not identical, but similar. And in the card that I'm going to show you right now, I did not stamp up that circle with the blue first. I simply inked up the background stamp and did it. So there you go. That's just another way that you can use your gel press.